I'm Michael Mori. Today, I'm going to discuss social networking ethics analysis. Introduction. Facebook, founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, has grown into one of the largest and most influential social media platforms in the world. Now part of Meta Platforms Incorporation by 2024. It boasts over 3 billion monthly active users and plays a pivotal role in connecting people, communities, and businesses. So, Facebook, nagagamit na natin siya to communicate with other people. And since meron siyang marketplace, pwede natin siyang gamitin to buy or sell ng product. Ito yung monthly active users, 53 million, and sa Facebook Lite is 27 million. Since kung gagamitin nyo itong Facebook Lite, ginagamit lang siya to open another account or to log in another account. Since Meta siya sa Messenger, ito yung ginagamit natin to communicate with other people. Dati hindi pwedeng sa Facebook na lang tayo makipag-communicate. Pero ngayon sa Messenger, ginagamit na Messenger to communicate with other people. Ethical issues. Data privacy and user information protection. Extensive data collection, Cambridge Analytica scandal, vulnerabilities to breaches, to misinformation and fake news, algorithm promoting sensational content, public health and political misinformation. Focus tayo sa data privacy and user information, since ngayon is marami ng mga dump account na gagamitin yung mga pictures mo, kinukuha nila and nagpo-post ng kung ano naman yan and misinformation and fake news. Ayun nga, gagawa sila ng ibang account, then magpo-post ng mga fake news. Ito, for example is dito sa mga bagyo ganyan, gumagawa sila ng account, then ipopost nila sa iba't ibang page para maglagay ng mga fake news. Kunyari, ayan, examples, nagpo-post sila ng fake account, then nagka-cancel yung ibang picture, di nila alam na fake news pala, and kukuha lang nila sa mga pages. Ito, fake news. And since ito, focus tayo dito sa email address and phone number. Since sa phone number is pwede ka mag-create ng iba't ibang account gamit lang yung number mo, then magsisend sila ng code or basta yung code para makagawa ka agad ng account. Solution. Data privacy, transparent policies and users control, enhance encryption and regular security audits. Misinformation, algorithm refinements and partnership with fact checkers. Education campaigns for digital literacy. Ang solution ko is gumawa sila ng Facebook na which is need ng valid ID or isa lang na valid ID yung pwedeng mag-open, and pipicture na lang valid ID para mas secured and iisa lang yung gumagamit, and need ng ID na valid. And sa users control and policies, ito sa policies regulation, dapat may limit lang yung pwede mag-open ng account mo or ayan. And misinformation partnership with fact checkers. Ayan, magno-notif na lang if if may gumagamit ng iba mong account, and pwede mo siyang, hindi siya auto login pag na open mo na agad yung account mo. Ayan. Conclusion. Ethical responsibilities is crucial to maintaining user trust. IT professionals plays a key role in ensuring ethical practices. Ayan. Conclusion ko is don't use other people's information and gamitin na lang yung FB. Be responsible when using Facebook. Use it to educational purposes, business purposes, and other communication which you can use Facebook in a good way.